Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about Ruby on Rails and AI. Okay, I'm going to to say to you what is my point of view of AI and Ruby on Rails, and what is my point of view about the developers that use it to develop application years ago. So after that, I ask you to subscribe on my channel, please. Click the button like, and that's it. So what's happened? When I use it to develop application with the Ruby on Rails, the another developers that use it to develop with another program language, they use it to say to me that this program language is not good. This program language is not good because it generates the code for you. You only write a simple command and it generates everything for you. And I use it to say, but this is easy because this is a code and we only want to build the application and we have only to worry about the things most important, like connect the things, put the things together. So they use it to say, no, I'm a software developer. I like to write the code. I like to do everything by myself. I like to do everything by my own. I don't like the things that use it to generate the code for me. And I said, but it's going to increase your productive. Why are you not using? Because you are only a web developer and you develop an application from web to for web. So for me in this case, this is what you should be using. So the user said to me, okay, uh, I will not going to pick that program language because it's not good, everyone not using. But I use it to say, but you are doing it by yourself. You are not employed by any company. You are not receiving salary. You can pick this language, speed your development, and deploy your stuff and start to make money with this program language. Okay, they denied because their focus was not only development. Their focus was also to write the code and have the control of the code. So, in that time, in this year, even though I'm here in Portugal, I'm working as a software developer, so as a Java developer. So, in my company, we have been also using AI to build the things more fast. We are using program language and we are also using AI. And sometimes we use AI to correct uh, something, but the project that I'm working actually, we are not using AI in 100%, but there is a specific project that they are building fully with the AI. So, and now every single developer have been using AI in their job. So, what I have to tell is that all of those guys that use it to deny code with the Ruby because Ruby was a program language that used it to generate the code for them. Now are the same developer that are using AI to write their code and to help them to speed the productivity productivity. Yeah, so what I have to say is that if years ago the people should pick Ruby on Rails as their main program language, in my case also I picked Ruby on Rails for to be my first program language, but the problem is that I was in a place that I didn't have a job. I wasn't there. I was there in Africa, in Angola, and we also had a problem to deploy the application because most of the company they're using only to deploy PHP program language, but the PHP, yeah, to deploy they use it to have a service only to deploy PHP, yeah, application that was built to use in PHP. So in my case, yeah, in my case, I love it too much in Ruby on Rails. I try to grow with it. I just did some tests to get a job in this area, but it was very difficult because my position in my country didn't have too many opportunity to try to be qualified, to try to apply and get the job. But I could get the job in one of the company of my country. But the problem is that the day that I got the job, it was in the day that I received my passport with a visa to travel to another country. Yeah, because I decided to travel because there was very difficult to find an opportunity, a software developer. So I had to change the country and to go to Europe to be more easy for me and for my life, to get a job as a software developer. So the developers use it to say that Ruby on Rails is not a good program language because all the time they use it to generate the code when they want to do some crude application. And I use it to tell them, man, this is the future. This is what you have to use to build your apps as a single developer. You should use this, and your productivity going to increase more and more. You have to use this. But now we have AI. Everything is generated by AI, and there are too many guys, too many people that are using AI to speed up their project. And what I have seen now is that all with the AI, all program language became equal than Ruby on Rails. Yeah, something that Ruby on Rails had something very special, that was increase the productivity and compress the complexity. So, but Ruby on Rails at this point also use it to win because the complexity. Yeah, if we do something with the AI with the Ruby on Rails, we are available and we can fix it very easily because the code is very short, different than the another program language that is very verbose to do the things. You have to write a bunch of lines of code just to do a single task. In Ruby on Rails, it is very, very, very easy. So this is what I had to tell you. So in this point today, what I'm thinking now is that you can choose any kind of program language to build your application, and if you're going to have several problems, yeah, you're going to use the AI to help you to fix this problem. That is what this is how the this is how all developers have been doing. I know that there is a developer that has 25 years of experience, 20, 15 years of experience, but most of developer like me that has only 5 years of experience. And I also use it to program into program language. I use it to code with Ruby and Java, and I'm working with the Java. I work as a Spring Boot. I use it to work as a Spring Boot developer, but now I'm working as a Quarkus. Yeah, I'm working with a Quarkus. This is a new framework, but it's not totally new. Yeah, but the companies here in Europe are trying to adapt the Quarkus as a core of their business. Yeah, especially the place that I'm working now. Okay, that's all. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to bring more videos here.